Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial guys, I will teach you in this class on how to write a program to solve the area of the circle using Rust programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. So we have here area.s, the file name of our program. This is a comment. stdio for input output, fn main, the function in Rust, the begin of our program execution, begin let radius ft, f32 for float, let area f32 for area, let mute input string new. We're creating an object here, input println, the title of our program, area of a circle using Rust, give radius here. So this command is to accept the red line of our variable. So radius input string, not a valid number if it is a character or a string. And then here calculate area of the circle. Area equals 3.14 multiplied by radius twice, and then new line here, and then we displace the output. This is for 2 decimal places. New line here in the program which informs the user that the program has been ended. New line and then the right curly bracket to close. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Let us go to our command prompt. So we issue a command rust c space area.s. Rust c means compiler. When we run this program, it will create an executable file. Area, press enter key. Area of the circle using Rust, enter radius value. Let's say we have 5. So the area of the circle is 78.50. Another example, we have 8.7. So the area of the circles is 237.67. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on area of a circle using Rust programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.